Hey guys, here's the Lasko American Classic with a light kit on it. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, so just never got around to it. So this light kit actually came with this fan, unlike the video I did of the SMC a couple days ago. This light kit came with it because, well, the one on the SMC like blinked and stuff when I wired it up, so I was like, nope. So, but this globe I think was on the SMC when it was installed in my neighbor's house, because it was. Because my SMC, the UF42, had one just like this. So I think it might have been on the SMC at one point. And the globe you saw on the SMC the other day was the one that was on this. So, yeah. Just swap the globes. Okay. I'll show it a little more. Alright. Here's medium. I kind of want to install this. Well, one, I don't have the mounting hardware, and two, I don't trust myself, or really, I'm sorry, fan friends, but I don't know if I trust you either, because and it's not about you, I think I'd mess something up, so, but the big thing is that I don't have a mounting bracket for this, so that can't happen really, safely anyway. This fan moves really good air. I'm sure it would do way better on a ceiling, but it still does pretty good air. I'd say it blows, but you can feel it better in reverse. This is forward. I'm gonna get up and show it from an aerial view. Have to be careful because of this thing. That chain clicking is getting annoying. Wait, there, I have to do that. No, dog. No. No. Nosy dog. It's gonna try and come over here and... In all honesty, I did this a couple days ago, and my dog tried to sniff this thing while it was running on high. A little dumb, I must say. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let me try and just pull this up so I don't have to sit on the floor. Yeah. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I basically have a light switch right here. But anyway, hope you enjoyed.